Hey you guys, this is your sister and the lawyer girl Gina. So I'm trying to do a quick get ready with me today because as usual I am behind. I have to go to a gender reveal from one of our sisters in Lord at the church. Luckily it's at the church fellowship hall, and then I have practice. It ends at 5, and then I have practice at 5:30 for praise and worship because I'm leading praise and worship tonight. So this is going to be a quick one for y'all. I really wanted to show you guys my outfit because I'm wearing a dress today, but I want to show you guys how I made this dress more modest as a tip. Hopefully I can get some footage outside without running behind. I know y'all looking at my face like, Gina, why is your face red? So for those of you who are women of color, dark skin, you know that we deal with hyperpigmentation. Mine isn't too bad. It's gotten better over the years, but I do have dark spots from like scars here, around my mouth, and then sometimes under my eyes. So I have this LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Corrector. The orange one is good for darker skin. I usually don't use it. I just bought it a couple weeks ago. I used it once. It's just to even it out more. I'm doing a more simple look today because, as I said, I'm rushing. It's going to be like a nice lip, natural lip, eyeliner, boom, bam. Hopefully I'll be there in time and not miss the reveal, which is the whole point. So I'm just going to, you guys might see me actually like singing from what it seems like. I'm trying to practice, that's why, and do vocal exercises and all that stuff, so bear with me. Alright, so I'm applying my handy dandy ColourPop concealer. I love it because it highlights just a little bit but not too much under the eyes, and I am burning up as usual. So I open up the window. My voice is killing me, which is exactly why I'm doing vocal exercises, y'all. Washing my beauty blender brush because I did not, my sponge. Using my Clinique foundation. I love it because a little bit goes a long way with this. I've had this for like almost 2 years now. And it oxidizes, so it looks lighter than it actually is, but trust the situation, it is not that bad. Blend, girl. You better blend. Blend your neck. Make sure everything is even, unlike what you did last time. And I'm laughing at myself because I was really mad at how last time I didn't blend well enough. And I approve. I blended it pretty well this time. I'm getting my NYX eyeliner matte mascara. I love it. It always stays on. Oh, I messed up, but it's all good. They're sisters, not twins. It'll have to pass. Oh well. Using my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. I love it. Volumizes and elongates at the same time. Grabbing my Sephora Smashbox blush and ginger snap. My NYX eyebrow pencil. Good. Using my spoolie to blend it out. It's too much, looks too drawn on. And now I'm grabbing my NYX Dewy Finish so it can melt in my face. What am I doing right now? Grabbing my ColourPop Tulips lipstick. I love it because it's mauve-y, but natural looking, just a little bit of color. And I'm done. I have this necklace. I forgot where I got it from, but you know I love statement necklace, you guys. Same earrings from last time that I got from the beauty supply store, and these bracelets that I've had for a while. Let's go outside. So, as you guys know, I told you guys about a tip that I wanted to share with y'all. If you have a dress that may be short, like mid-leg, and you know it's too much leg that you would want to show, I know especially for me because I'm curvy, I love to pair leggings with it. Leggings can't go under every dress because it'll look like too much, but it looks really good and feminine with the flare dress. So if you have something that's too short, just add leggings under it and it gives it more coverage. God bless you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.